Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue making the platformer. So on the previous video, which is how to make platformer episode 2, we already make the spikes and moving platformers. Okay, yes, as you can see here, there are spikes. We already add that on the previous video, which is episode 2, and we also add moving platformers just like this one. So on today's episode, which is episode 3, we are going to work with adding bounce pads and adding enemies. Okay, let's get started. So first we are going to work with the bounce pad. So I'm going to go to the level sprite and we are going to make a new level. Okay, I'm going to duplicate level 3. It's going to be level, let's just say it's just the name level first. Now delete all of these objects. Just let the ground be there and make a square, I mean a rectangle. Make it really high, like that. Now put it in the center, just like that. Now go to level 4. It's going to be level 5. Okay, and this level, new level, is going to be level 4, like that. So when I receive next level, it will, if level equals level 5, if level equals level 4, it will switch costume to level 4. If level equals level 5, then it will switch costume to level 5. Okay, now hold up. So when I receive previous level, if level equals level 4, level equals level 4, it will switch costume to level 4. Okay, now go to the player sprite. Hold up. When I receive next level, if level equals level 5, it will go to x negative 215 and y position is y position. Okay, now when I receive previous level, if level equals level 4, it will go to x 215 and y position is the y position. Okay, let's give it a test. Click on the green flag. Okay, that's normal. So the project is lagging. My computer is a little bit lagging today. There we go. So this is level 4. As you can see, we cannot jump over the wall because it is too high. So that's why we're going to make jump pads. Okay, now stop the program first. Now make a new sprite. Okay, the color is just going to be, let me see, I think I'm going to choose blue. Okay, dark blue. That's why the color is going to be 65. And it is not gonna be a fill, it's going to be a line. Oh man, the line is going to be blue. Okay, I forgot to set it 65. The thickness, you can use any kind of thickness. I'm going to use about 10. Why is the color keep setting into black? Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna make a line just like that, and then I'm going to make another line like this. Okay, now duplicate this line, diagonal line, flip horizontal, put it here. Now I'm just gonna fix this a little bit. Now just group the whole thing and put it in the center. I'm going to make the thickness into like 15 or maybe 20. Yeah, that's much better. Now duplicate this costume, make this thing longer. Yeah, that's better. Now make the diagonal line more diagonal, the angle. Okay, let's try that. Something is not working here. Okay, I'm just going to make it to here. Now duplicate the line here. Horizontal again. There we go. Okay, now rename the sprite into bounce pad. Okay, bounce pad. Now the size is going to be like 50. Okay, how about 60? Yep, that's 60 better. Okay, so put the sprite here. Now when green flag is clicked, it will hide. Okay, it will hide, and it will go to x negative 103 and y negative 116. Okay, then it will also switch costume to costume 1. Don't forget to add a costume block. Okay, and then add a forever block. So forever, if level equals 4, then it will show. Okay, if level equals 4, then it will show. But if level is not 4, then it will hide. And then add another if then block. So if, hold up, what's going on? Alright, the direction forgot. That's going to be 90. How did that happen? Okay, so if the bounce pad is touching the player, then it will switch costume to costume 2, and then it will wait 0.2 seconds, and then it will switch costume to costume 1. Okay, now go to the player sprite and then go to the bottom, duplicate this code. If touching bounce pad, then it will go to top variables and it will set speed y to, let's take a number about 20 or maybe 25. Put it here. Okay, now click on the green flag to test it. I'm going to go to level 4. Okay, just speed run. No. Okay, here we are at level 4. There we go. At level 4, we can jump on the bounce pad and we can jump very high. And then we can reach on the top and then fall down again. Like that. Okay, I'm going to make the set speed y into smaller. How about 22? Yeah, that's much. Okay, that is too low. How about 23? Yeah, that's much better. Not too high and not too low. Just the right amount. And we are going to make another clone of it. So we're going to make another one here. Okay. It will create clone of myself. Go to controls and add a create clone of myself block over here. And when I start as a clone, forever, okay, just like this, and then it will hide, also hide, and it will go to the X position about, go to X 103. Okay, let's just give it a test. Click on the green flag again. I can't believe we're testing this again. Oh my god, this is one of the hardest level. Okay, there we go. We have two jump bounce pads now. We can jump over here, we can jump over here, and back and forward. Then go to level 5. Okay, so that's all how you make the bounce pad. And now we're going to work with adding enemies, okay? So next, I'm going to work with the enemy sprite. So first I'm going to go to the level sprite, okay? I'm going to make a new level. So I'm going to duplicate level 4. Sorry about that. Okay, rename this into level, and then delete the rectangle, and then make a new rectangle over here. Okay, move it to the center, and that's perfect. Okay, now going to rename this new level, the ending level, into level 6, and then this one into level 5. Then go to the code tab, and then when I receive next level, if level equals level 5, then it will switch costume to level 5, and then if level equals level 6, then it will switch costume to level 6. And then when I receive level 5, then it will switch costume into level 5. Now go to the player sprite. When I receive next level, if level equals level 6, then it will go to x negative 100 negative 215, and it will go to the y position according to the y position. And then when I receive previous level, if level equals level 5, then it will go to x 215 and y position. Okay, now make a new sprite. It's going to be how about yellow? Okay, yellow. Wait, yellow is 17. Yep, that's it. Make a square. That's perfect. Move it into the center, and then we're going to make some kind of eye. Okay, how about the color is white, and the outline is 5. Yeah, that's much better. Then we're going to make it look angry. That's just looking sad. Yeah, this one is better. Like that. Okay, this is just level. This is just the costume 1. Then duplicate. Now we're going to erase what's in the bottom. Just set the eraser into 10. Okay, that's much better. Then make a straight line. Okay, since this is a tutorial, I'm not gonna make a straight line, sorry. And then I'm going to group the whole thing. I'll move it like this. Hold up, I'm having problems with my computer, and there we go. I'm going to move it over here. Yeah, that's much better. Even though that looks ugly, this is actually good. Okay, I'm going to set the size into just 50. Okay, how about 30? How about 40? Yeah, I think 40 is just the right size. Okay, so rename it into the enemy. Now, when green flag is clicked, it will hide. Wait, it will choose costume to costume 1. It will hide, and it will go to like, okay, how about 50 x 50? How about 100? Too many. How about 80? How about 90? Okay, 85. Yeah, that's it. 85. It will go to x 85 and y negative 66. And then add a forever block. Forever. It will glide 1 second to, hold up, x negative 85, negative 85. Yep, that's it. Negative 85, and then it will glide 1 second again to 85. Okay, and then forever block, duplicate the forever block, delete the glide block. Okay, now add a green, when green flag is clicked block, and then go to control side and if then block, if then else block. So if level equals level 5, if level equals level 5, hold up, if level equals level 5, it will show. Okay, if level equals is not level 5, it will hide. Okay. Okay. And then add another forever block. Click on the duplicate the when green flag is click it block. Okay. Now switch costume to costume 2, and then it will wait 0.1 second. Wait 0.2 seconds, and then duplicate its code. Switch costume to costume 1. Okay, let's give it a test. Before that, go to the player sprite, and then add a forever block. And if touching the enemy, it will totally respawn. Okay, if touching enemy, it will respawn. Now go to the what I receive respawn. If level equals level 5, then it will go to yeah, I think negative 200, and y is 0. Okay. Now let's click on the green flag. Now we're going to go to level 5. This is just level 2. Okay, hold up. Yay. Okay, the bounce pad level. Perfect. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's just moving back and forward in the same direction. Now we're going to fix that by going to the enemy sprite. Now, at first it will point in direction 90. Okay. And then when it's gliding to the left side, then it will point in direction to 90, and then after it we're going to the right, it will point in direction negative 90. Okay, as you can see, it is upside down, so go to the direction and set rotation style to left and right. Okay, and we have no problem now. Go back to the player sprite. Okay, we're going to jump. Make sure you don't touch the enemy and you died. Yeah, that's it. Done. Yeah. We made it. Woo! And we made it to the last level. Let's give it another test. Okay. Whee! Oh man, I just died. Okay, I'm going to go there. Whee! And there we go. We have a platformer now. So I guess that's the end of the episode of episode 3. So on episode 1 we already learned the basics and how to change the level. On episode 2 we made the spikes in here and also the moving platformers, and now on episode 3 we managed to create bounce pads, and then also enemy. Every time you touch the enemy you die, like that. So I guess you already have a platformer and you already learned how to make a platformer. Okay. Anyway guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time on my next video. Bye.